Good morning, students. Secretariat High School welcome you all for today's online learning session. Students, today we are going to study in our Standard 7, our subject English, Unit 3, Lesson number 3.5 and our topic entitled as News Analysis, Part 2. In our previous Part 1, we have studied Article 1. It was an informative news about the institution where closed shoes were not allowed in the examination hall. We studied the article number 2 about the Bollywood news and entertainment news about a heroine Ritika who is going to take break from her career. So we studied about the two articles. Now let us start with the next article. The heading of the article is Most Dangerous Time in History. Students, this is an alarm news in which we are told about the danger we will face in coming future. Let's start. London, the famous physics professor Stephen Hawking has warned that mankind, which means human beings or the human race, is facing the most dangerous time in its history today. So, Professor Stephen Hawking is a renowned and highly respected scientist, worked on the physics, has advised the human being that we are living in danger. He said that the world today is facing huge challenges like climate change, overpopulation, epidemic, disease. He said what is facing with large number of difficulties as climate change, population and epidemic disease. But the most serious problem is overpopulation, as overpopulation can lead to rise of many problems such as scarcity of food and water, growth in various kinds of pollution, spread of deadly disease, scarcity of land and many more. We have the technology to destroy the planet on which we live and have not yet developed the ability to escape it. So he wrote in the newspaper where he says that today we are developed in every field. We have got the technology to prepare weapons of mass destruction. Due to global warming, our planet is facing danger and we are helpless. Even he wrote in his article, perhaps in a few hundred years from now, we have built colonies amid the stars. He says, the author says that due to growth in technology, a time will come when we will find place in universe to survive. But right now we have only one planet and we need to work together to protect it. The author says that in future we will find another planet where life will be possible, but it will take time. Presently we have only one planet to survive. Hawking wrote recently in the Guardian newspaper, as this article is very important to let people know about the coming danger to mankind, so people can start thinking about it. It is published as news in other papers, so people can start thinking about it. So that's what Professor Stephen Hawking wrote in the London newspaper, that is Guardian newspaper. Now students, let us come to the last article or the last news article. The heading is Quick Cure for All Ailments. Can you see a question mark? A question mark indicates a doubt whether news is really reliable or not. It says quick cure for all ailments, which is really a difficult thing. Students, this news is a fraud news done by a Miri Baba who is claiming to save lives of many people. So let's start reading. Staff reporter Keva. Keva is a Sangli district in states of Maharashtra. He says, hundreds of people flock every year to Ralewadi, a tiny settlement near Ambegaon. Flock means traveling together. Settlement means a place where people establish a community. So the news reporter says, news that people are going to Ralewadi near Ambegaon is a reliable news, and this is a fact. They wait in a long, winding queues in the hot sun. The people of Ralewadi village were waiting in a line in a hot sun just to get a special powder from Miri Baba, who claims that it cures all sort of disease. So, news that a special powder can cure all sort of disease is not a reliable news. But there is a doubt about the merits of the powder. According to him, he has developed this powder from a special herbs in the Himalayas. According to Miri Baba, he formed this powder from the special herbs. And what he said? Unwillingly to give the exact name, sources of the herb, he only says that it was revealed to him. According to Miri Baba, he is the only one to get this secret about this special powder. He offers it at ₹25 a packet. Each packet is specially blessed by him. Then what happened? Some of his followers claim that they have seen him curing thousands of people with this powder. Many people claim such miracles, but after some times we come to know that it is all fraud. However, Dr. Karnik of Ambegaon Civil Hospital, what did he say? He says that number of patients in their hospital has in fact increased in the last few weeks. Miri Baba's news will give them publicity, and more people will know about it, and more people will come to know the truth of Miri Baba as he is a fraud. So students, even when you fall ill, you should go to the doctor and get treated. So this news item help people to understand the truth that Miri Baba's powder cannot cure diseases. So that's all we studied today about article number 3 and article number 4. I hope you enjoyed my today's lecture. Thank you, take care, and God bless you.